Come. You can do it. Come more. More up with the torso. Yes, use the straps to help you. Really push into the straps, so lift them higher. And now push to me. Good. This is what I was looking for. Okay. Stay here, lower and lift the legs. Lower and lift from here. Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead. There it is. Do you feel the difference here? Yeah. Yeah. Close the legs. Put the legs together. Yeah. One knee into the chest. And then pull up and twist. This is absolutely perfect. Stretch your leg if you can. If you want, not if you can. And then go back. And the other side. One knee into the chest. Lift up and stretch. Twist a little more. Yes. And then go back. And step off. Voila.